And welcome to Python piano tutorial. So let me show you guys how this works. Yeah guys, so what I am going to do now is I'm going to exit out of here, and let's start by first of all import the following library. You need the printer, you need the message box, and you also need to import play sound. First of all, if you don't have the library of play sound, make sure you get it installed. Use this very version. So this version will be easy for you to use. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to then define the player. So I'll just call that play notes underscore notes, and let's enter note in the argument and just end that. And next I'm going to give my file a name. Let's say file name that is going to be equals as follows. So let's get that formatted first. Curly braces and just enter notes in there. Then I'm going to say the music note that I intend to use is going to be a wave file, and that is that done. So now let's use an if statement. So if dot start and dot exist, and that happens to be the file name, then get the music note for me. I will just ask the system to play. So we say play sound is going to be equals the file name. Say file name. Else just display message. So let's get rid of that. Else display the following message. Message box dot show error. Let's say show error. Very good. And the error message is going to be, well, let's say that will be invalid or something. Okay, let's use format. The format, the audio file is invalid. So let's enter the file name as well. That'll be the file name not found. There we go. So that'll be my error message. And next is going to be my application name. So let's go down here, and there we go. That's the application name, and the background is going to be black. And I'm going to now define my keys. So let's maybe we just enter keys. That would be, let's say, white and black keys. Okay, keys. White key and black keys. Alright, so and create the following variable. So those are the notes on each key. And next, let's define the notes, the keynotes. So let's come down here. I'm gonna get this, so let's paste this here. White, another white here, then I need black, 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 and black. So this white one, I'm gonna define the width as, let's say that's going to be about 150, and the height, let's say height, that's going to be about 600. Very good. So let's define the width of the black keys and the height as well. That's going to be 120. And the height, I will make the height about 360. That's good. Next, now I'm going to get the root. So let's just say root.geometry here. So that we can display that. We might as well get that out of the way. Root.geometry. And that is going to be, let's get it formatted. So format it. Lane the white key. And grab all of the white key. Let's paste that in here. The white keys, let's multiply that by the white keys again. White keys underscore the width. White keys underscore the width, and here I should have curly braces here. Yeah, unlock it up here. Okay, so let's just say white keys. That's the width. Then we also need the white keys as height as well. So using that to define the width and the height. Okay, that should be in curly braces as well. There we go. Next, let's create a function that will create the white key. That is it, to create a white key. And the next one, just going to change that around. That will create the black key nodes as well. So paste that in there and just change it around. And that is it, done. So let's run this up. So I'm going to come down here and just say root dot main loop. So what that means is run this app. So run this app or run this application. There we go. I'm going to save it now and we'll just try that out. Come right here, file, save as. So I'm going to call it piano. You say Paul. Save that. Okay, so before I can run it, let me just let's correct this. That should, I'm going to make that just key, not keys. Right. So I think may have finished. Okay, guys, let's try this out now. Since the variable for the keynotes are all in place correctly, so let's give it a try. Here we go. Look at that. Yeah. So with that, guys, I'm gonna call it the end of this beautiful tutorial. Please do subscribe to my channel, and you can also join to become a member of the channel. You all have a nice day now. Bye for now.